Hi guys, today is the 23rd January, Monday at 11:15 a.m. in the UK. So let's do a US30 analysis once again. What I'm going to do is I am actually just going to remove the pin bar indicator, you know the drill, and I am, let me see. I am just trying to see. Oh, it's here. Okay. I was just wondering where did my support resistance lines go. What I'm going to do is on the 1 hour, let's just draw support resistance. Let's just off the Phoenix as well and draw support. So price is here right now. I'm probably just going to leave this alone, whatever is there right now. And I'm just going to quickly just draw where I think support resistance is. Okay. Bear with me guys, so it's just drawing support resistance lines as to from where price is at the moment and taking it from there. I was actually going to delete this liquidity box. Do you know, I was expecting price to come to that liquidity box, but let's have a look at that a bit later. I'm just going to see, so price is around here right now, about there. Possibly one more here. Okay, so I'm actually just going to just delete this for today. Okay. You know what, I'm just going to leave it. Okay, let's just on back the Phoenix for now and let's have a look. So let's do a top-down analysis as what we normally do. So when we actually see price from a top-down analysis, so price is still on a buy, okay? It hasn't come down. Right, so this is where I was thinking price was going to come, and it still might do. So it's just a question of really, so today, there's price. Oh, today is just a small little, this little handle. That's all indecision candle. There really hasn't been much movements today, isn't it? So I was expecting price to come out to the, can you see this zone here, guys? Because that's a massive liquidity here. So I was actually, that's where I deleted the box earlier. So I was expecting price to come here. This is what I was expecting for it to do last week. It came and touched the top of the box, if you can see, and it went right back up. So this could be a retracement, which you can notice it's already passed. So let's just do, I'm just going to delete this. This was my markup for the um the retracement, the fibs, but then this is annoying because I want to delete this, but then it's blocking, so I think it was somewhere about here. So let's just leave it there. We'll have a look at it later. Okay, I'm just going to delete these retracements just so that they're not confusing. Okay, and then I'm going to just go to an hour. And let's just draw a fib. Possibly from here to here. Okay, almost to the 0.3. So if we hit this 200 moving average on a 1 hour, that's almost 0.5. Well, let's just take it from here though. Okay, so if we take it just from this drop here, that would be 0.3. It's just touched to 0.3. Now, I do think price would go up a little bit more to the 200 moving average. So, and then drop right back down. So that's my take. Oh gosh. So that's my take on price. At the moment, I'm just going to, Okay, so we are at the 0.5, 0.38 zone because price did give a very sharp drop, didn't it? Last week it was selling like it was really selling all the way down. So sellers were in the market. So right now we just have to see what price action is telling us. I do still think that it will come down to do a rejection of here. So I am still going to, I'm just going to put the markers here for the retracement to see where potentially price could go. And then let's just take it from there, okay? Okay, just because it doesn't look messy. So right now we have already right now we've already touched the 0.382 zone. So I do really think price could come back down, reject this, give us a proper fake out, and then write it back up again. So this is my take, guys, honestly. So if I were to see where price is on a 5 minutes, it's still on a buy. We haven't got any sell entries whatsoever yet. I'm gonna on back the pin bar. I mean, I haven't taken any trades whatsoever today. So we've had a good sell, buy opportunity. Look at it when price actually reversed back on Friday. You know, we've had a lot of bullish pin bar entries, which has given us good buys. But then price is teetering here right now, which has got a zone. So let's just look at a 1 hour zone and let's just see where price is. Delete this. Yeah, it's rejected off this moving average. I still do think price will come back down, guys, right? So my take is probably a short-term buy, very short, like just up to here. So I'm not even going to trade those buys. And then I'm just going to wait for a sell opportunity. Probably we're just going to set up for tomorrow. So it might just teeter all the way up, even to the support resistance lines up here, do a rejection of the 1 hour possibly, and then give us a drop. So that's my take on US30 for today. Um, yeah. So I really do think, I mean, we do on a 4 hour, we do have a zone right up here as well. So, like I said, short term, very short term, it's buys. You know, if your timeline, whichever time frame you are on, you need to make sure you're trading with the trend. But most of the time frames, they're all buys at the moment. It's not a sell. So sell is not ready at the moment, okay? And here, this is probably just touching this zone back here. So we'll see what it does, to be honest. And yeah, there's no divergence. It's basically leading up to a sell, but I'm not even going to sell here just because it's a buy on a 5 minutes. Okay, guys? So if you can actually see here, this looks interesting. Look at that. So I think it is going to go up. Look at that. If you look at the 1 minute chart, you can actually see how many times it's like it's come to touch this point that many times, right? And then if you look at divergence, it's literally showing you up. It's like an uptrend, you know, compared to all the touch points previously. So, mm, yeah, personally, I really do think it is going to go up a little bit more. But let's just follow price action, guys. So at the moment, for a 1 minute, it's a sell, but I will not enter the sell as of yet. So let's just have a look and see what happens with price action today, and let it do its retracement and catch a nice sell back down if that's what price action tells us. So you've seen my markup, so I am literally going to be waiting for price to go up to this zone. And if it just does give us a nice buy opportunity with a nice bullish pin bar back again, I would probably enter a buy and take it all the way up to 0.5, guys. All right, so see you guys back again tomorrow with another video.